All right, good morning. Welcome back to Calculus 2. We are looking at the next problem. I think this is 9F, final exam review. Okay, where we have to figure out the series. We have k goes from 1 to infinity. Summation of k goes from 1 to infinity. K to the k over k factorial. Now, since there's a factorial, I'm going to say ratio test is the way to go here. So what we want to do is we want to say k plus 1 raised to the k plus 1 over k plus 1 factorial, all divided by k to the k over k factorial. Okay. This is always going to be positive. Technically, this should be in absolute values, but since k goes from 1 up, there's no minuses in here. This is always going to be positive, so we're going to be able to do that. So everywhere I saw a k in my original series, I replaced it with a k plus 1. That's how I arrived at this idea right here. And now we have to go ahead and use a little bit of algebra to figure out what's going on here. The k plus 1 as a factor, as an exponent says we're going to do k plus 1 times k plus 1 raised to the k value divided by. This k plus 1 factorial actually is going to be k plus 1 times k factorial, and then so on. I could say this is k plus 1 times k plus 1 minus 1, i.e. k factorial, k minus 1, k minus 2, k minus 3, dot, dot, dot. Or we could just replace that with a factorial. And this is all divided by k to the k over k factorial. Okay. What we're going to do next is I'm going to invert and multiply this denominator term here. Okay. So we're just going to rewrite this. We have k plus 1 times k plus 1 raised to the k over k plus 1 times k factorial. Okay, and that's what we have from this thought right here. Okay, we're inverting and multiplying, so I'm going to go top and bottom, k factorial, okay, over k to the k. Okay, and that's going to cancel out this stuff down here, right? We're going to have k factorial over k to the k. All of this is going to cancel out, multiplying by 1, top and bottom of this thing. And now we're going to figure out what we have. Well, we have some k plus 1s that cancel. Fantastic. We have k factorial, which cancels. Fantastic. So what are we left with? We are left with k plus 1 raised to the k over k to the k. I'm going to group these into one little thing. So we have k plus 1 over k, all raised to the k. Okay. We're going to simplify this this bit right here, okay? Because we can kind of do a division. We could say this is going to be 1 plus 1 over k, all raised to the k. Now, this is the limit that you should know. This is actually equal to e. And going back to the ratio test says if my limit, right, we took our limit as k goes to infinity. We'll just write that in. K goes to infinity, because that's when it's equal to e, is when we take our limit to get this thing to be e. So if my limit is less than 1, then we converge. If the limit is equal to 1, the test is inconclusive. You got to do something else. If the limit is greater than 1, then it's going to diverge. E is a number greater than 1. So this series diverges, and that's all you got to do for this one, okay? Thank you very much for watching the video, okay? Good luck studying. Take care until the next time, okay?